What's going on, guys? So I am out here in Indiana at the 2025 Forest River Sneak Peek event. So basically what this is designed for dealers to come out and see what's going to be new for 2025. There's a lot of really cool products out here. Most of these have had some significant changes done to them. It's one of the reasons why they do this event, is to show those changes to their dealerships. Anyways, in front of me, you're looking at an all-new 2025 Lacrosse luxury light travel trailer. This thing is super cool, and it has a floor plan I can almost guarantee you've never seen before. Hang tight, I'll be right back. So this one is so new, they actually don't have the weight sticker on it yet, but we can definitely take a look inside of this thing, come around and see what it's all about. Real quick, you can see it has the wide track suspension where they space the axles out a little further. It's supposed to reduce porpoising, or that effect whenever you go over bumps where the trailer wants to do this number. Makes it a little bit more stable. The tires on here are a Vantra trailer tire by Hankook. So that's actually a pretty dang good tire. So it's really nice. I've never heard of this specific model from Hankook, but it's cool to see a reputable brand name tire on these trailers. It has electronic stabilization on the front and the back. This rides on a 12-inch I-beam frame. So this has a huge frame for it, traditionally what you might see on a fifth wheel. So it's got a good structure underneath it. This is pretty cool. But anyways, let's get to the floor plan, because I know that's what everyone came to see. We do have our awnings up top with LED light strip underneath it. Tire pressure monitoring as well. This is designed for extended season, and this specific one doesn't actually have a model number on it. So we're just going to take a look at it because I walked through it earlier, and I want to show you what it's all about. And again, this is the Lacrosse luxury light from Primetime. Okay, so check this out. This is a totally different floor plan. I've never seen this done before. This is really cool. So I'm just going to pan around here real quick so you can see and take in everything, especially the colors. Very, very interesting colors, including this solid surface countertop with this waterfall edge to it. But check this out. So traditionally, I'm not a fan of this style of sofa. I think it feels very toy hauler, but the way they did it here actually makes a lot of sense, because it's across from a huge TV with a lot of storage around it, but it's set up in a way that nobody's craning their neck over, nobody's having to look past something else. You basically just have a really, really great theater style entertainment system here. This is really cool. You seat 5 people here, and they look directly at this absolutely enormous TV. This is like a theater setup. This is really, really awesome. And then over here is their take on a dinette. So check this out. It seats 4 people across. You could probably seat more than that if you had smaller bar stools. Super, super deep. This is like a large dining room table that you use from one side. Then you have your window up front. You have your cabinets here, magnetic holds. This has 2 AC units, one here and then one in the back. It's all ducted or direct dump, which was on direct dump when I first came in here. Much, much quieter when you have it ducted. Check out all the cabinets up here. A lot of space inside there as well. Panoramic fireplace. You have your Furrion sound bar. Again, this is really cool. Plus huge windows. An entirely different feeling RV on the inside. You have your undermount stainless steel sink with straining rack. Upgraded faucet with extendable sprayer. You have a 3-burner Furrion cooktop with Furrion oven underneath it. Storage here. These are not soft closing cabinets. You have a Furrion microwave up here. More cabinetry here. You have your Everchill 12-volt refrigerator with 2 drawers on the bottom. You have more drawers right here. And this is a prototype unit, as you can see. Nice cabinetry up here. You have 2 more drawers down there. You have your breakers and fuses in there. As we work our way to the back, you have your Slide out controls, light controls over here. You have a 2-piece shower system with cornered seat. Would have been nice to have like an upgraded shower head, multi-sprayer thing in here. And you have an enormous mirror over here. Huge mirror. A lot of countertop space. This is a thermofoil countertop. Stainless steel above mounted sink. A good size sink. That's your on-demand water heating system and your tank monitoring. Plus you have a spot here that you could put a chair so the wife can get her hair done and do whatever she needs to do with this spot. Then you step into the back. You have a king-size bed. Really nice slat style headboard. You have some cornered tables up here at the top that are kind of high. It would have been nice to have some coming off of the front here. Again, your second AC is up here. You have your darkening shades in here as well. Nice ledge in this space. Not sure where you would mount the TV. I guess you'd kind of have to block the window because those are all of your TV connections right there. You have some drawers up here, and those are soft closing. You have a panoramic fireplace. Magnetic holds in here as well. Lots of wardrobe space. There's your thermostat for your second AC. And then of course you will have storage underneath the bed. A lot of storage under the bed as well. More drawers down here. It's a good sized bedroom. What do you guys think? Especially the colors. Give me your opinion. The colors are definitely bold. I think they look pretty good, to be honest. I at first was kind of looking at the interior thinking this is a little too retro and modern, but at the same time, because it's broken up with the theater seating right here and some of the other contrasting tones, I think it actually looks really good. But I'd love to know what your opinion is. This thing is really cool. Anyways, guys, I'm not going to make this video terribly long. I just wanted to share this really unique floor plan with you because, again, you typically don't see this type of a floor plan in an RV, and this is kind of new. So I think they're prototyping this to see what feedback is from folks. What's your feedback? What's missing? What could they have added? What do you like about it, and what don't you like about it? Leave a comment below. Anyways, guys, I sure hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you again very soon.